Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polka Dot House. Today I will teach you how to make a raglan sleeve. Okay, this is the raglan sleeve. As per our last tutorial, which is how to make a raglan sleeve, I trace now the pattern with an allowances. There are notches. Look, I have here a notches. Look, so this is the center front. This is the center back. There are notches. This is the sleeve. And as you can see, there are those notches. We have the two lines, that means this is center back. We have a mark of center front fold. Front should be in the fold position, so 100% this part will become bias. We need to put a notches there. If you will cut a bias material, you cannot control. So what we can do, let's put notches here using this one. Another, you can now put notches as much as you want, as you wish, you know. Half-inch allowance here and half-inch allowance here, and you can put another 1, 2. So I will cut first the front with the help of my jasper stones. This is the weight, so the pattern will not move. So I will cut exactly in the pattern. Only you need to do is to put that mark. Okay, put one pin here until how much is the length of the dart. Let's cut here. The same thing, put those notches. So we have notches here. So this is the center back pattern. To make sure the straight grain of the pattern is parallel to the selvage of the material. We need to cut exactly here because there is already 1 inch allowance in the center back. By the way, this episode of our tutorial is the testing of our last episode, how to make a raglan sleeve. Actually, it's a pitted raglan sleeve. The raglan sleeve continue to the yoke. Right? Okay, now this is the pattern for the raglan sleeve. This time we will be needing a pin, right? Just make sure the center back is in the grain. If the position is like this, there is a very small issue in the front, but that is manageable because the front all straight because it's on fold. I will show you the small issue here in the front. You can put more pin as you want. So as you can see, I use a different material to the sleeve, so we can see at least there is design, right? Put a pin, alright? And then another important point is that if you will stitch a bias like this, I am starting at the bottom, going to the top. yoke and the body, and it is ready to stitch. So this is the raglan. Beautiful. This is the lift. Look. So when you dance, you have a movement there. It's not properly. My machine is not that. No. Anyway, this is only calico to see the pattern.